So the experimentation trials group existed for almost a year now. What we've done is pull all the trials and development units together, and we have experimented with a new company group to try and show and prove if they're more lethal than the army that we have now. Now, our start point was really a lot of excellent research done by DSTL on what a future force might look like, whether that's at a higher level of the army as a whole or the tactical level sort of elements that we're looking at. And really what we're going to prove here is not only how a combat element might operate, but also how a whole range of other capabilities might be used across the force. Our role in accelerating modernization for the British Army, trying to grab those technologies which some people think are in the future, which are really here and now, getting them into the field army as quickly as possible, proving their utility, all part of Project Lewis. We cannot do that alone. We absolutely rely on our industry partners to be on this journey with us. Loitering munitions, uncrewed armed ground vehicles, these are the kind of technologies we want to get us into the army to make us more lethal as quickly as possible. So although we're using 2 Yorks as the key sort of core of the team, we're bringing in Royal Engineers, we're bringing in Royal Artillery, we're bringing in a half squadron of household cavalry for a mounted close combat element, and we'll plug in other capabilities in other parts of the army to sort of build that next generation combat team. So we started fairly at the sort of light end of the spectrum here in terms of army capability, but we actually made this company group a light mobile company group. We mounted them in civilian hired 4x4s, and that made them much more survivable because they could move at a higher tempo across the battlefield and disperse and concentrate effects as required. But I think we'll see a transition over the next sort of couple of years, and the mechanised infantry vehicle Boxer and Challenger 3 will see the next generation combat team morph into a heavier organisation as we develop our best to build a armoured brigade combat team. What it looks like in the future right now I can't tell you, but I can tell you that a company group that we put out here really proved its worthwhile on Wessex Storm 123, proved itself more lethal to fight tonight if need be, or fight tomorrow.